Hello everyone. One of the things I love is washi tape. It really dresses up our journal pages and it can be used in hundreds of ways. That's why I thought that I would just show you how I have used washi tape in a few different ways. My name is Laura and I am from the Queen of Mirth. I'm also grateful and very happy to be here with you today. So let's get started. Now the first thing I wanted to show you is how this is a tag that I made, and I haven't made the hole yet, but I will. But first of all, I just want to show you how I use washi tape to reinforce the hole. If I can find the end of the tape, this is crazy. Goodness me. Come on, washi. Isn't this funny? Just can't find there it is. Okay, here we are. Well, it looks like this is a good washi tape. It looks like it's nice and it has good adhesive anyway, because it sure doesn't want to peel. This is a really simple thing to do, and I found some washi that actually matches my tag. Imagine that. It's kind of nice. So what I do is I simply put it down there, and instead of using a reinforcement hole, I can just use a little bit of washi tape, and that will help me when I'm putting in the ribbon, because sometimes or if I'm pulling on things, depending on how I use the tag. But nonetheless, there you have it. I have, and it shows up a little bit on the other side as well. So that's the first thing. Now the second one that I wanted to show you is I made this little memo book, stapling it together with some pieces of leftover lined paper, and this is just a piece of blue cardstock, and I used this washi tape to decorate it. It looks much better than just the plain blue. So that's that one. Now in this book, this is my black and white journal. It's a little bit famous, at least on my channel it is, because I've featured it a couple of times. Now here is, let's see. Here is one way of using it. Where is my washi tape here? Goodness me. I marked this. Okay, I'm going to show you how I've used the washi tape in this black and white journal. This going across here is washi, and I made it go all the way to there, and that was to cover up a little bit of the bottom layer, or this was an old file folder I made this cover out of, and the file folder was showing a little bit at the top because I hadn't quite stuck it on properly or something like that. Anyway, I just put the black and white washi tape across, and I think it looks pretty good. I really do. And I used the same one here, just because this particular piece of magazine paper didn't go far enough up, so I just put the washi tape across here. And then this is another kind of washi tape right here. and it serves the same purpose as this one, because the paper here didn't quite reach to the very, very bottom. So just to give it a more finished appearance, I used the washi tape. Now in this book, I've done a few things with washi. I just thought I might show you. Okay, the first one is, okay, this flip-flop envelope. This is washi tape around here, here, and here, because it holds this lined paper, or this kind of collage-y paper. It just gave it a finished appearance. Okay, that's that one. That's my dad. This is a friend of my mom's from the 40s. This particular junk journal holds a lot of memories of mine. Now, this is washi tape going here, here, and here. And this is across here. That's this one again. And I put a magazine cutout word right there. That's what this book really is. It's a book of memories. Look at this. I'll share this with you. It's my old Law Society card, because I used to practice law, or I am a lawyer, and I practice, but I'm retired. And this was the card that I had to carry around to prove I was actually a lawyer. And this is my daughter and my beautiful granddaughter, Autumn. And Autumn, I raised her, and my daughter's name is Vanessa, but I raised Autumn, and when she was almost 14, she got leukemia, and she fought leukemia for 4 years, and then she left this world when she was just 17, or almost 18. So, she's so precious to me, and I think of her all the time. Anyway, this is washi, washi, washi. And actually there's more washi here. This is washi around here to kind of frame this part. And then this is like, see, this is the washi, and this is some origami paper that matches. Now, let's see. I marked the washi pages that I wanted to show you. Okay, here we have it again. Now this is a pocket, like a live. That's my first wedding. That's me in my first time getting married. Oh my goodness! And there we are dancing. Anyway, this is washi holding this pocket on. I didn't glue it on. Or maybe I did glue it a little bit and then put washi on. It just makes it look more interesting. Adds some dimension to the work. Okay, now this is washi tape across here and here. These are Woodland Animals. I think they're adorable. And yeah, just at the top and the bottom. Yeah. As you can see, this junk journal isn't finished by any means. I'm still working on it, but it's going to be kind of a memorabilia sort of work. So here we have it again. I obviously like borders. I love borders on my pages, and so washi tape makes a perfect little border. Okay, well, that's what I wanted to show you. Those are just a few of the ways of using washi tape. There are hundreds of ways and all kinds of thousands of different designs. It's not too expensive, so I absolutely love using it for all of those reasons. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I hope that you'll come back and see me again soon. Do subscribe to my channel, and do press the like button if you like this video. And if you have any questions or any comments to make, do make them in the place for making comments down below. Thank you so much again. You take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.